everybody, this is Sister Mills. I am making this screencast to show you how to access your feedback, even though you might not be able to access it in the normal way. So I'm going to show you two different ways to access your feedback, and I'm hoping that one way will work for all of you. So here we are on our home page. This is the announcements page. So the first place I'm going to go to find feedback is to my grades and to the grades link. So when I click on this, it's going to bring up this list of my grades for the course. You've probably accessed this page by now in our course, but this is where you can see percentages as well as feedback on those grades. So since this is a test student, nothing has been turned in, nothing's been graded, so this is not going to be showing up grades for this purposes. But for you, it should have a grade as well as some of these assignments should have feedback on them. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go down to the assignment that you're looking for the feedback. And so for this case, it's the Lesson 7 final draft. And so you're going to go ahead and see what your grade is on that. And right here, there should be some feedback. It should say, hey, so-and-so with your name, and it should have a little note to you, as well as some of you have a video link for the video feedback, and everybody should have an attachment with their document, and this document is titled with your first name. And so I've, based on what I'm hearing from you, it sounds like some of you can access it through here, but some of you can't. So I'm going to show you the second way to access that feedback, and that's going to be in the grades drop-down box, but we're going to select class progress this time. Now, when you select class progress, there's a lot of different ways to look at what your progress in the course and the things that have been going on in the course. But I'm going to, and you can explore these other things because there are some assignments that I've given feedback for that aren't going to be in this. But for our purposes for getting feedback on your essays, I'm going to suggest you click on assignments. And then it has our writing assignments here. So we've completed these first three. This is the one that we're looking for. So you can go ahead and click on it here, but most likely there should be a little triangle like this in this lesson 7 writing assignment final draft box. So when you click on this and click on the details, it should open it up. These are actually attachments that I tried submitting and providing feedback for, but it's not showing the feedback for this student, but it should be for you guys. So when you click on that details box down here, it should have the feedback. It should say your name and have a little note to you, as well as the video feedback if you got video feedback this time, and that attachment. And that attachment is really where you're going to get the most details about feedback. So I believe you can click on this as well and see that feedback as well. So if you have troubles finding this feedback, please, please, please let me know. This feedback is probably the most valuable part of this course, and the most helpful part to learning writing skills. So so please let me know if you don't have it, and I can find another way to send it to you, whether it be through email or through messaging. I will send you your feedback if you cannot access it on either of these pages, the grades page or the class progress page. So please try both of those avenues. I will be emailing you to see, if you haven't accessed that feedback, I'm going to be emailing you and letting you know. Otherwise, I hope you find the feedback helpful, and if you have questions about this or anything else, always, of course, please let me know.